Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your ranking data in Rank Tracker, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your ranking data in Rank Tracker, first, launch the Rank Tracker application on your computer. Once the application is open, navigate to the project you want to back up. Ensure the selected project is highlighted in the left panel. Next, locate the File menu at the top of the window. Click on the File menu to reveal a drop-down list of options. From the drop-down, select Export. You will see several export options available in a new window. Choose the Export Project option to create a backup of your entire project. A dialog box will prompt you to select a destination for the backup file. Select a folder on your computer where you want to save the backup. You may rename the backup file if you wish. Once you've chosen the folder and named the file, click the Save button. The software will now create the backup file, which may take a moment. When the backup is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. To verify your backup, navigate to the folder where you saved it. Check for the presence of the backup file you just created. If the file is there and named correctly, your backup is successful. To restore your ranking data later, reopen Rank Tracker. Go back to the File menu at the top of the screen. Select Import from the drop-down options. Choose the Import Project option. Locate the backup file you previously saved. Once found, click on it and then select the Open button. Your ranking data will be restored to Rank Tracker, ready for use. Following these steps ensures your data is securely backed up and easily recoverable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.